Hello and welcome. In this project we are going to create a concept art project. We are going to design a creature that is a combination of two different animals, and we're going to place that animal in its natural environment or habitat. In the middle of the week we have a series of drawings that will be due on Wednesday, and those will be of one of the animals of your choosing, and I'd like you to draw the skeleton of the animal, and then the muscles of the animal, and then the finished animal with the with all the details of it. Finally, the sketchbook that is due is to compose an outdoor scene, and that'll be due on Monday, May 10th. These are some examples of concept art. So I'd like us to come up again with a creature, a new creature, and you're going to combine two different animals of your choosing to create that creature. Some of the things you may want to think of is what is the habitat or natural environment for that animal. Also, what is the anatomy of that animal? Is it a bulky, heavy animal, or is it maybe an underwater animal where it kind of has a graceful swimming characteristic? Or is it a light bird that has a light skeleton? So these are things you'd want to think of. In this example, we have some sea creatures as well as a big, bulky, heavy animal showing some girth and showing that it's got heavy weight to it, and it's got the legs and wide stance or wide frame that can withstand that weight. So here's examples of some skeleton structures. We have a skeleton of a kind of a rhinoceros-looking creature. You can really see that heaviness of the girth of this animal, as well as a skeleton of a rabbit, which looks more agile and light on its feet. Here's another example of a heavy, bulky creature with a lot of volume to it. You really see how, you look at the legs of this creature, for example, they're wide and they can hold that weight of the animal. So it sort of makes sense. Okay, we have an example of a Disney character that has a combination of many different animals. This is the Beast from Beauty and the Beast. And we see here has the mane of a lion, the beard or head of a buffalo, the brow of a gorilla, eyes of a human, tusks of a wild boar, the body of a bear, and the legs and tail of a wolf. It's a pretty amazing combination and a pretty amazing end result. It's a very effective creature in the animated movie Beauty and the Beast. Okay, once again, I wanted to reiterate or mention that I'd like us to take this creature and put it in its natural habitat. So you want to make it look like it's appropriate for the environment that it's in. Finally, just a quick note about concept art in and of itself. Concept art, one of the tricks of concept art is to come up with a story or come up with effective elements in the art. This is where you want to think up of some fun, fanciful avenues about what you're creating. And we'll talk more about that during class. All right, that's the assignment for this week. It should be quite a bit of fun, and we will see you in class. Thank you.